In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SLP future while examining the smooth love elixir cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like smooth love elixir. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the smooth love elixir value expectation and answer questions in the event that SLP is a wise venture or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will smooth love mixture value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 0510 plus 0.91% $0 0025 2023 05 11 plus 3.76% $0 0026 2023 05 12 plus 5.44% $0 0026 2023 05 13 plus 1.63% $0 0025 2023 05 140.69% $0 0025 2023 05 151.31% $0 0025 2023 05 161.72% $0 0025 2023 05 173.96% $0 0024 2023 05 182.61% $0 0024 2023 05 197.09% $0 0023 2023 05 204.76% $0 love elixir value expectation 2023 high expansion and very hazardous large-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Jan 18.98% $0 0020 2023 Joel 38.20% $0 0015 2023 AUG 22.27% $0 0019 2023 SEP 9.23% $0 0023 2023 OCT 1.92% $0 0025 2023 NOV plus 1.96% $0 0026 2023 DEC plus 5.01% $0 0026 2024 JAN plus 15.76% $0 0029 2024 FEB plus 18.24% $0 $0030 2024 blemish plus 23.88% $00031 2024 APRA plus 41.60% $00035 2024 May plus 45.50% $0 value expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees SLP coming to $0 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2030 to 2040 What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Smooth Love Elixir coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Smooth Love Elixir coming to 3 cents in 2040. Will Smooth Cherish Elixir supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Elixir won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Mixture can reach 10 cents yet just in the separated future. After 2030, could Smooth Adore Elixir reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Will Smooth Adore Mixture reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Will Smooth Cherish Elixir reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Is Smooth Love Elixir worth purchasing? We are supporters of modestly hazardous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Smooth Love Elixir merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation? Smooth Love Mixture is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Cherish Mixture be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or much higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir succeed and get more expensive? Smooth Love Mixture has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Mixture ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the venture, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising methodology, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Smooth Cherish Mixture go? Our Guajing model sees Smooth Love Elixir value detonating and coming to 3 cents in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Smooth Love Elixir? Smooth Love Elixir will reach $0 the following 90 days, which is a 38.2% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $0. Could Smooth Cherish Elixir make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough